Channel Gang? It's your girl Nay, and I'm back with another video by myself, and I'm talking about how much does YouTube pay me? How much does YouTube pay me? Okay. So, anyways, y'all, this is gonna be a little eating talk. Feel me? Got my Dr. Peppers. Got my sauce. See, it's my sauce, y'all. I didn't have everything we love sauce, so I was like, shit, I just make my own sauce. So yeah, end up eating it out the pot. Ooh, yeah. Let me put it right here. Got my napkins. Put my leftovers right here. Alright, let's get into it. Let me play real quick. Amen. This is what I get paid from YouTube / mukbang seafood boil. Feel me? I ain't have it in a minute, but let's get into it. Let me get into this crab real quick. Don't put no copyright music on there, Maya. I said wait till I'm done. Okay, y'all. So now, anyways, y'all. So I'm back. Now, what I was gonna say? Oh yeah, YouTube pay a lot of people. They get paid a pretty good amount of money. You see me? So on my videos, I went back to my video. One of my videos, I'm gonna enter the clip right here. But one of my videos, you see, it say 24K views. Okay, I'm about to do my other clip, but I'm gonna show y'all how much that video made. And y'all be like, what? How? Okay, so this is the other clip. Now you see it say 1 penny, 1 cent. Like, who? Where they do that at? If y'all know how to get that up, that revenue up, let me know. Cause what I made so far, I'm almost past the threshold, y'all. That's why people need help to them super chats. Like I was helping them, but yeah, I need help to get past my threshold also. So that's why I be asking who want to donate or help with a cash up, whatever. But yeah, this is the other clip of how much I made. It ain't much, but it's something. Cause for a small YouTuber, and you making something, you doing something. You getting paid for YouTube now, you doing something. But yeah, we trying to get to 3K subscribers, y'all. We close, but we ain't that close. We close, but we trying to get there. I ain't even share. I'm saying I'm stingy, huh? I ain't had crab in so long, y'all. And this is the Walmart crab, the little pack. They got everything in it. I love it. But yeah, if anybody knows how to like add stuff or whatever y'all doing to get more views, or I mean I got the views, but to make the revenue go up more, let me know. Cause I'm having a hard time. And then the views is up there for 24K, but the likes is not up there. The comments is not up there. I'm like, damn, people just viewed it for a long time for 20K views. That's a lot of views though, y'all. For a small YouTuber like myself. So yeah, that is how much we get paid. We making it. It's starting to get up there. But you guys gotta check YouTube Studio and your progress of how much you really making. I keep dropping these videos and getting less views, but I don't get it. We be doing the challenges that people be doing, and I don't know if the tags is right, but y'all need to let me know in the comments below what tags is good. The title. This lady that does help people with YouTube. She told me to steal titles from other YouTubers. Well, borrow it. You borrowing. Because they stealing trash from somebody else. Like a lot of famous YouTubers, they'll look at a small channel. And if they not popping, they gonna steal their stuff. And do it for themselves. Because I did see a lot of people do that before. Especially in the video I created a long time ago. A big influencer stole somebody's stuff or stole my stuff. Like that peanut butter stuff I was telling y'all about. I was the first person who did it on Facebook. If I could find my old account, I would. But Facebook be tripping. Every time you try to find old stuff, you can't do it. I seen it. But I can't log in. And then I had a lot of accounts anyway. Ooh, snap. That stuff kind of spicy. But yeah, y'all. Let me know. I need help. Your girl need help. I'm in here doing this by myself. I mean, Trey helping sometimes, but I'm the one doing these videos. Trying to give y'all content. And people ain't commenting below what they want to see. And a lot of my friends on here are gamers. They want to see me play live, Fortnite stuff. I mean, I appreciate the love from my Trinity kids, but a lot of people on here do not want to see that. So, ooh, why is the skin so on here like that? But yeah, I say y'all, whoever come to Vegas, want to link up, collab, whatever, with your girl, your boy, just let me know. You can inbox me on Facebook, because a lot of people on Facebook got my Instagram, or you can send me an email, because I always leave my email in the description. But yeah, it's hard though sometimes for a YouTuber to be making content, but you gotta make content all the time. Well, not all the time, but you gotta be consistent making videos. I'm sorry, I'm sucking my fingers, y'all. But yeah, that's all you gotta do is keep on pushing. Keep on pushing. Kids right there, so yeah. And don't ever give up. I mean, we got a new intro coming soon. Because I know everybody tired of that intro of Trey singing. Because I be trying to cut it short sometimes. I'm like, oh my God. Because I be getting tired of hearing people's intros sometimes. When you used to it, hear it over and over, you're like, If they don't come with a new intro, I said you can turn it up a little bit, not loud, girl, because I don't want to hear no music. I hear no music on my stuff. I don't like that copyright stuff. Yeah. But yeah, y'all. Make sure y'all help your girl out. Let me know. Share us out in the comments. That's kind of loud, Maya. Share us out. On all social media platforms. Oh, guys, I gotta tell you something else. Okay, yeah. Since we out here in Vegas, where'd it go? We took the kids to Adventure Dome. Y'all can go check out the video. I'm gonna leave it in the my video so y'all can go check it out. Mike, can you knock it off? Yeah, okay, yeah. Well, I got on a ride. For the first time. I just had to tell you about this. For the first time, right? Boy, girl, I done hit my head so many times on that ride. Oh my God. I won't get on that ride no more. So if y'all do come to Vegas, do not get on that ride. Because you get all kind of whiplash in that mug. I don't remember which one it was. It was the red one. It wasn't the yellow ride that the lady fell off of. But yeah, that ride. It was a red one. And you go around the whole park. I don't like that. Never had too much in it. Just check him out. He in there good. He look good. He looking good. I don't know. But yeah, don't get on that ride, y'all. I had a headache after that meat. Like, we went home. And then, oh my God, I did not tell y'all. Oh my God, okay. My daughter called me, okay, from California. And she told me where we was just at. We left at 6:30. The guns they start shooting at the inside of the dome at 7 o'clock. We blessed, because we was not there at that time. We left right on time, and that's crazy. The same night. I was gonna stay there all night, but I was like, I'm tired. So that's the day we met. See, they So Cool and Royalty, them and the kids. So y'all can go check that video out. Make sure you give it a thumbs up also. Maya, I bet not get copyrighted for that girl talking. You don't know YouTube one no more. And if y'all see him eating at a pot, because I don't feel like there's no plate, and it was already in there, so I was like, okay. Yeah, but make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below if you can help the girl out about what I need to do to change the revenue, make my stuff start going up. But we love you, Trinidad. I'm gonna continue to eat this because people do want to keep seeing mukbangs. This is what y'all gonna get. But I love y'all. It's basically a little story time of what I get paid and how much YouTube pay. Gonna add them in the title. I mean, the title and the tag. Whew. Trying to see how long my video is because you don't get to add ads. But alright, y'all. Peace, Trinity gang. I gotta get my ass up so I can turn it off. What? They be acting like I'm a celebrity, staring at me when I do my damn video. Alright, y'all.